We're pulling in billions of data points, hundreds of millions of miles, billions of miles of data. It's tremendously complex.
And Federato is a big piece of that. Instead of looking at a table of drivers and measuring different driver characteristics, we're able to visualize using, charts and graphs showing trends and really, highlighting or making things pop.
AI in insurance is a huge thing right now. What people mean by that is a couple things. They either mean automation or they mean big data and modeling.
Investing in AI and AI infrastructure today is critical. If you don't have a system that you're using today that is capturing your underwriters' thought process or your claims people's thought process, whatever type of system they're using, collecting that data in a way that's highly accessible and highly flexible, you're gonna have a really, really difficult time utilizing AI technology in the future.
I am very excited to work with Federato on all of those pieces. They've got a great data science team that has helped us build some models actually in our instance. We didn't even ask them to do this. They just built some models in our instance and said, hey, we want to show you some data. And what they were showing us was winability scores and appetite scores to help us triage our risk so we could work on the highest winability and highest opportunity risk first, which helps our overall bind efficiency and gives us up to a 30 to 50% lift in our ability to write more good premium.
It's something that we had been working on ourselves and somewhat struggling with. Federato came with a fresh approach and really was able to show us how to leverage all the data that we're collecting in a different way, and ultimately just developed a kind of a submission prioritization tool that was just fantastic out of the box and really kind of reset the way that we were thinking about the problem that we were trying to solve.
And it's been huge for us, right? When we can look at a winability score and determine if we are 3 to 5 times more likely or less likely to win that than a regular piece of business, it allows the underwriters to focus on the more winnable ones.
Then there's the models that live inside Federato, within Federato. And those models, like our winability model, are constantly learning. Whereas before it would take a long cycle to develop and deploy and test and everything a model. Now that happens much more rapidly. The model is training on itself. It's always learning. It's always learning about what's going on within the platform and optimizing itself. The iteration times on model development now are much more rapid than they were in the past, and they're just getting faster.